Hello Stampers, and welcome to Laura's Stamp Pad. Today I have another one of Laura's quick tips, and this comes from a customer of mine who asked me a question on Facebook, and I thought it would be a great video to do to share with all of you guys. So she actually asked me what I use whenever I color. Do I use black? Do I use gray? Or, do I use a different color? So I just wanted to share today. This is my personal opinion, and so you can go off of that, or you can make your own decision. Everything is perfectly fine when it comes to crafting. It is all up to you. So the answer that I gave was that when I am coloring an image in, I typically go with basic gray. I like how basic gray has a more subtle look where it still gives the outline, but it has a subtle background image rather than such a bold image like my Memento or my black ink would do. So of course you always want to use Memento when coloring with Stampin' blends, because those are alcohol markers. If you're using watercolor pencils or anything like that, you will want to use your on black if you decided to go with black in that instance. So here I just did two of the same images. The one is in basic gray, the other one is in Memento. This is from the Artfully Aware stamp set, which is this one here. I just love that. I find it so sweet and loving and everything. So now I want to show you the colored images, and you can decide which one you prefer. You'll notice that this one just seems more subtle, and this one is a lot more bold. So especially with the hair, her hair looks really dark, but then I colored it brown. So it's almost like a brown black, whereas this one, the color tends to stand out a little bit more. I will also say that yellow shirt girl is a little bit larger in this image because I actually colored the in-between the two girls. So you'll notice over here, there's a little gap between them. And over here, I kind of thought that that line was like an accent of her shirt. So still looks fabulous either way. So you can decide which one you prefer, but the answer to that question from me is that I prefer to color with basic gray. So I just find that it has that more subtle look. So I hope you enjoyed today's Laura's quick tips, and let me know in the comments below which you prefer. Do you prefer the black or do you prefer gray? Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Be sure to subscribe if you're new. And don't forget to check out my blog, laurastamppad.com, for more fabulous photos, inspiration, and ideas. Happy stamping, everyone. Bye-bye.